we here? Hey, getting out early.
Yep. Get up, get at 'em, beat the rush.
That's it. From here on out, we are officially always going to be leaving super early. Last week, we ended up going to Burns Bog. We left super early, and it was absolutely amazing. Like, look at this. This is Vancouver, BC. This is downtown Vancouver, and there's barely a car in sight. This is a dream come true, and all because we just got up a few hours early. So this is what we experienced last week, and it was such a pleasure to get to and from, and just driving around. It is so stress-free and it's absolutely beautiful, and you can just take in the beauty of Vancouver and everything around you without worrying about crazy traffic jams and people buzzing all over the place. So highly recommend, if you're into adventuring around the Vancouver area, get out early. It's tough, it's hard to get up early, but oh my gosh, it's so worth it. We're here, we made it.
There's nobody here.
So beautiful.
It smells great. It's nice and quiet.
Yeah, I'm stoked. Okay, so you do have to pay for parking up here. So we did 2 hours, which was $10 Canadian, and not too bad to be surrounded by this absolutely gorgeous forest. Parking purchase. Now, one of the benefits of our little tiny camper van is it actually doubles as a second kitchen, which is fabulous because I did pack us some yummy chia seed pudding, and I'm going to need some spoons so we can eat that at the top of the mountain or the cliffside. Well, it's not really the top of the mountain, but yeah. You'll see, it's absolutely gorgeous. As for getting to the rocky cliffside, it's super easy. It's just a short walk through the woods, and it's so beautiful. There's gigantic old growth forests all over the place. It's huge, it's lush, it's green. It's just absolutely stunning in here. It's so beautiful. Not to sound cheesy, but almost like taking a step back in time. Geez, old growth. How huge that tree is. And then again, little trail, I'd say maybe like a 15-20 minute walk depending how fast you're going. We wanted to really stop and kind of take in the whole foliage as we got to our little area. It does do a little bit of a steep incline when you get to the first viewpoint, which gives you a little it gives you a little view of the lighthouse, and you'll see right over here. Yeah, move over to your left a little.
Like this way?
This.
No,
oh, that's a cliff. Never mind.
You just jump off that cliff, then, and I need you to get that
Oh my God, sorry.
I was like, no, you really got to go ahead and sacrifice yourself for the good of the shot.
I do believe you can actually take a trail that gets you closer to that lighthouse, but we were more interested in having a little snack on a cliff overlooking this like beautiful, vast ocean area. Denon had been there once before, so I was just kind of following him, and as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. It's so stunning here. And like I said, because we were early, there wasn't another soul in sight. And you really truly felt like it was just you in the middle of nowhere looking at the ocean. So I packed us some juicy green grapes, and then I made us it's like a chia seed, apple, cinnamon, oats mixture.
What else could you jam in there?
Sparkling water with lemon balm. It's so tasty. And then that's our little snack with a view. Not too shabby.
Say it again.
We're here. We're here.
Hey, look, an eagle just popped up out of the water. Missed it.
Damn. After our little snack and taking in that gorgeous view, we did have to get heading out because we were on a short time limit. So I think at this point in time we had maybe like 40 minutes left, and we definitely wanted to take a peek and see what the beach area looked like. There was two little areas. The first one was kind of cramped and small, so we skipped it, and then I'm so glad we did because we ended up making it to the second point, which is right here, and these are the stairs that lead down to this beautiful open cove. And again, not a single person was there, so you just really felt like it was you and nature and the middle of nowhere, but also kind of comforting because when you look across the water, that was all of Vancouver.
There she is, Miss Wilderness. This is called Starboat Cove.
So this was absolutely 100% worth getting up super early and heading out here. We're here in the Vancouver area. We highly recommend checking this out. And if you can handle getting up like at 5 a.m., do it. Get out here. It's so worth it. All right. And on that note, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.